Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'd like to share a real-life case from the field. One installer reached out to us because their inverter wasn't running. After some remote analysis, we discovered the issue was related to insulation resistance, and the root cause turned out to be a damaged DC cable. In this video, we'll walk you through how we detected the issue, what steps were taken, and how you can troubleshoot similar faults on site. Just yesterday, we received a WhatsApp message from one of our installers. They had an issue where one of their inverters was not running, and they were unsure of the cause. We logged in to iSolarCloud and reviewed the inverter's fault history. It showed a few insulation fault alarms and excessive leakage current alerts. Next, we went to the general information section and immediately noticed the array insulation resistance value was very low. We advised the installer to inspect and test all DC cabling. After a short while, they got back to us and confirmed the issue. A broken cable was found during the inspection. Once the broken cable was repaired, the inverter returned to normal operation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your fellow installers. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.